All right. Hello, hello. Think we'll just get right into it. Hello. Do I sound right? Let me do a quick mic check. Testing. Ooh, yes. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm. Music too low or good enough? Let me turn it up a bit. And ooh, ooh. All right, got my camera capture on, my beautiful lock screen. Think I might want to add stuff to it. We'll see. My conversation with Gemini. Oh, let me switch categories. Software game dev. The software, the game dev. Software and the game dev. Oh, and my the Discord. Whoa, what's going on here? What is going on here? Oh my god. Well, this is something I might have to fix. Um, me. Let's see. Kill Sig. Okay, that's fine. I want a mirror. What is happening on my screen? Up here. Believer. Is my limiter not on? Filter. I think we will turn on the limiter. Loose. Ooh. Hell. Ah. Might be too loud. Too low? Too strong? Maybe I yell. Thunder! Okay, it's too strong. Thunder? Thunder. Feel the thunder. The thunder. Thunder. Okay, this is useless. Hey. Hey. Damn it. Thunder. Okay. Let's go to I think 6. All right. The Grok. No. Wait, I'll open another Gemini here. Let's go to CD Hyper Z. I like this new Z tool. Hmm. The Gemini. The Sanda. Right, Nana, the Sanda. I may need to I doubt this automatic update will work. Create gemini.md files to customize your interactions with Gemini. How do I update manually? No. Update Gemini manually. We see are all made of gold. Once we hail, and the blood runs tail. Okay. Let's do that. 7. Mm, damn it. Your grave in the masquerade. How do I do this? All right. Sudo. How about done? Code on your balatro. Hey, there's no balatro today. Maybe later. I'm not coding. I'm ricing. I'm VibeRicing. I'm not touching. I'm not writing a single line. It's all gonna be Mr. Gemini. But before I do that, let's do. Wait, let's just. I want to fix this monitor thing. So we are in hyper. 9. Oh, how you been actually, dude? Are you at work? I think I might be a little rusty with Balatro. I haven't been touching the game in a bit. Um, look into the monitors. How do I? Can I list the files in this folder? Toggle Vim mode. The purple stick. Cam beat black deck. Waiting for your kid to get out of his after school thing. Ooh, is it the sports? The sports? Change the theme. I did change the theme. Let's just quit. I monitors.conf. Alright. Bro, Gemini CLI sick. For free, they give a lot. For free, they give a lot. No need to put in an API key. Look into the monitors. Dot. He sports no. Wait, what does decline mean? Like he refuses to play sports, or he has trouble with sports? Sports declined. Declining. Wait, bruh. I was peak athletic form in high school. All went downhill when I focused on school, on studies instead. Both. Oh no. What about you? You fancy playing anything, or at least back in the day? Looking monitors dot conf and update it so that here I need to hyper CTL monitors that it mirrors the laptop screen to the capture card. C the hyper CTL monitors output below. How do I alt enter? Yes. But it was never your jam. Yeah, I ran a lot. I played a lot of badminton, a lot of basketball. Um, edit. Mm, oh, oh, the misery. Let's see it. Done. It's pretty decent. Nice. But now I lose my breath. And I picked up a bit of a smoking habit during my uni years. So lung capacity was cooked. I don't know how I feel about this little overlay. Should I take it out? Or like reduce the mm, Mahanami? I'll keep it for now. Yeah, no, I don't like it. I don't like where Gemini get groceries and make me a sandwich, then AI will be useful. I think it can get to a point where it'll deliver you a sandwich. I don't know about making you a sandwich. Couldn't you like make Amazon orders through your Alexa before LLMs were a thing? Alexa to order your from Amazon. Yeah. That's crazy, eh? Okay. Now I'm happy with this. Happy with this. All working up. I'll take this away. Actually, I like it up there. Let's just put it up there so I'm not distracted. Oh, shaken now. Oh, my prison. But so yeah, what I did so far, original Omarchy doesn't come with the percentage next to the battery. It didn't come with the memory indicator and the percentage, CPU and the percentage, just the CPU icon. You had to hover over it. And the persistent workspaces showed up to 5. So I had a long ass conversation with the guy. Um, let's close this. Let's close this. Sounds good. Thank you for the lurk. Can I Gemini? Wow. How do I see the history? Chat. Resume. Yes. Oh yeah. It was like explain this code base. So it went through the VibeRicing config and the CSS. And then it explained like this is what and how, this is look and feel. And like, how do I add live CPU battery and memory stats? And you're like, of course, you know, this is what I will do. I will make these changes sequentially. And then it showed me like, these are the changes I'll make for CPU. I'm like, all right, now for the battery model, should I do it? I'm like, hell yeah, do it. And for memory, I like, it showed me a memory icon that I didn't like. And I like, okay, what other icons to represent memory are available? I like the third one. And then I'm like, I like the third option. And then I'm like, how the hell do I reload? And then it's like, use the kill all sig user waybar. I'm like, okay, let's do it. Then how do I get waybar to show all workspaces instead of just 5? And then I had a bit of a back and forth. It went through like asked for other configs that it didn't have access to. Blah blah blah. It was cool. Now what I want to do is I have this YouTube player. Ram pam. I want to change my I want, and it has an API server. I want to be able to query in when it's available and display the song being played. So let's see if Waybar can do that with Gemini. The frick. Leaked. Alright. All workspaces, Waybar, donezo. Can I just... Alright. I don't know how I feel about this autocomplete or maybe skill issue. Mm, 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 mm. All of them done. Now YouTube Music VibeRicing Ge- Gemini-CLI. All right. Look at this. I'm trying to get better at NeoVim as well. All right. For now, shall I post on X that I'm swimming? Yeah. Why not? Why not? Whilst listening to Imagine Dragoons. Nope. I don't like how by default in browsers it pastes the title of the web page instead of the link. Perfect paradise. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Bad liar. All right. You didn't ask to restart. Flagged out of date AUR packages. That's AUR's fault. Fix that conflict later. Let's change the. Nah. Whoa. Whoa. No. Whoa. Ah. Whoa. Yes. All right. Oh, the other thing I wanted to do. Change boot screen logo to Abu. Nah, this is annoying. I need to freaking Tangia. That call. Okay. Extension. Show every 600 seconds. Show for 5 seconds. How much is 600? Damn it. Let's make it 20 minutes. 30 minutes. 1-800. Tangia Barte. What the frick is Tangia Party? Set bits tokens goal that will play unique interaction. Only available. Bro, my face looks oily. Clean it up. Alright. I'll have to BRB for a bit. Play the interaction. What interaction? A party interaction. Ah, no. Alright, be right back. Be right back. Enjoy kitties. What up? I'm back. Oh, yeah. Oh, why is it coming out of the wrong? Whoop whoop. What's up, Nipoina? One moment. Okay. What up? How you doing, man? Same as them. No, let it go. Why did it come out of the wrong system? Will I have to do this all over again? Yes, VibeRicing Omarchy in particular, because most of the work has been done by DHH and his Omarchy cult. I liked it at first, but I didn't like the preloaded apps it came in with. And I tried doing the whole thing myself. Whoa! Okay, that fixed it. Let me reset all of the audio monitors. Why would I do this audio monitor when I can use the other one? Here, let me try that instead. Let's remove this. Remove. Filter. But I gave it another shot, removed. Saw that the process of removing things is quite easy. They have, I'll show it to you. One moment. Take my hand to the flames. I'm just a sucker for pain. I wanna tie you down. I'm just a sucker for pain. Alright. Advanced audio properties. Le blurb. Blurb, monitor, and output. Oh yeah, that's one of the cool things about it as well. And the configs that they use, I'm happy. I'm happy with the out of the box Edge Pangea, TTS Monster. Alright, I'm gonna test each of these. Blurb. This is library. Oh yeah, this is much better.
Hey! This is library.
And then Botrix. So I don't need this plugin anymore. I can uninstall it. Just overhead. But maybe if I want to like monitor it to multiple devices once down the road, I'll just keep it. Let's see if someone follows. Oh yeah. Okay. Botrix done. Tangea. Yeah, there's more fun, but like, bruh, I can't be asked, man. There's so much,
This
like,
is Tangea Dan,
simple
one of the
things
developers
like...
at Tangea. If you can hear me, then it's working. If not, make sure you turn on monitor output for your Tangia browser source.
Yes. Like getting Arabic text to work was a nightmare on Firefox. Like I getting it on, it was just a nightmare, man. I was not getting anything done. But maybe now that I know I can use Gemini-CLI to do all of this for free. Oh yeah, just install nerd font. Yeah, that's what people told me. That's what I tried. I tried it before people gave me that lecture. Um, it didn't. It took me a while. I guess it'll be easy the second time, but the first time was a nightmare. Also, I made like an AI voice of myself on Tangia. Um, yeah, let me. No, wait. Close this. And they got me to read a script, not like a script. They had like multiple questions because they wanted to see your tone of voice as you answer the questions, and it turns out to be like a 5 minute voice recording, and like now I have a model of myself, and it's eerie, man. It's crazy. um like this is a sample of what my voice sounds like. I am not real. Are you real? Isn't that crazy? This is a sample of what my voice sounds like. I am not real. Are you real? You don't hear it? The Tangia sounds you don't hear? Even the blurp and the botrix? The frick? If I do. You heard the phone ring. Oh, maybe it was too low. Um, but not the voice. Interesting. Override volume. Oh, okay. I see. Here. Wait, what? Tangia TTS volume. Damn it. So I guess you gotta override the volume from here, huh? Okay. I'll probably have to increase the volume for everything. Alright. Here's if I do the phone call. This is a sample of what my voice sounds like. I am not real. Are you real? Did you hear that? This is a sample of what my voice sounds like. I am still not very real. Low. Are you real? You heard it. Okay, so I just turned it up like that. You guys are gonna have to deal with it. because this is a sample of what my voice sounds like. I am not real. Are you real? Okay, something like this happens.
Did I jump scare you? Yeah, I bet I did.
That would have been loud. There he's like, oh, this is also low. No, this is fine. The begin dancing. Okay, Tangia is good. And the last is TTS Monster that I need to test.
Null pointer.
Okay. Solid. All right. Back to focus. Okay. Change boot screen to Abu.
Bad kitty.
Bad kitty.
Bad Mr. Kitty.
Um. Anything else? Anything else I can do? What is branch? Nope. Not playing with that. What is Plymouth? What is Plymouth? What did I just press? What the fuck did I just do? Hacked? Plymouth Arch. Okay, but I didn't I thought it was going to take me to configure something, not install it. Well, I'll find out in boot. What else is there? Oh, so yeah, I can remove packages. So I removed a lot of the packages that came out of the box. I can remove themes. No extra themes, okay. I can install web apps, so web apps that I like. There's like a name, the URL, and the icon. There's nothing there, and then it shows up on the bar. So I added I removed Hey and all of the 37 Signal apps, put my own Gmail, Google Calendar, Keep, Outlook. I set up my OBS here as well, gave it a bit of a test. Pocketbook for my ebooks. Proton, Reddit. I don't know why I put Reddit. Like, I always use Reddit with tabs, not as a web app. Twitch, Twitch 2, X. So yeah, I need to set up Scrippy. SurSpy. TUIs. Oh, I want to. What TUI do you use, New Partner? Because right now it comes with Alacrity. They give you the ability to no, sorry, not TUI. What terminal emulator do you use? Um I'm thinking of switching to Ghosty. All right, I'll switch it to switch to Ghosty. Um, mm, all right. You don't like the kitty dev? Yeah, the kitty dev's a bit of a dick. But man, I grew up on um it's better than Ghosty, yeah. I grew up on Caliber and the kitty dev built Caliber. In the sick like ebook management software. Um and also converts from one format to another. And I had a Kindle, so it would convert to like the format that the older Kindles used to support. It scrapes the internet for missing metadata and adds that. It was sick. Right. Because after all, open code is not free. Or is it? I'll give it a shot. But I don't know. I just got into terminal. It has free models. Okay. Okay, I'll give it a shot. And it's better than I need to find out how to. Hey, it's better than Gemini-CLI. Okay. All right. I can use Paru or configure agents and add MCV servers. Well, Gemini-CLI is also open source, but the okay. Then let's install open code and let's install. So you're saying Kitty is better than Ghosty, though, right? Mm, I'll give Ghosty a try and I'll see how I like it. I may have put the wrong password. Yes. Oh, okay. GPU acceleration. Man, there is a bit of a lag between using Alacrity and Ghosty. Damn. Ghosty doesn't use GPU acceleration? Mm, work progress. Okay, I guess I'll remove. First, I'll switch over to Kitty. I've never heard this song before. Oh, this is faster. Oh yeah. All right. Let me remove. What else? Open code editor. VS Code. I heard good things about Zed. Oh, I like Helix. I like what comes out of the box with Helix. It's like it does what I want without having to deal with configs. But I want to get good at NeoVim as well, so I'll stick to that. AI, open code. I want to remove crush. Missing manager. What's a manager? Package manager. Manage these packages. Yeah. Web app. The fuck happened? What the fuck did I do? What happened to my package manager? No. Did no. Did I break it because I removed Alacrity? Right, any terminal. Yeah, but I want my system working. Let's see. Bum 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 bum. I need Alacrity. What the fuck? All right. That's stupid. All right. Better work now. Oh, yes. Saved. I need to remove Crush. I do not like it. I tried using it with the open router free models, but none of them are available. I'm like, what's the point? I don't think I'm going to spend on API keys unless I'm going to do some heavy lifting. Grokko, I tried. Look. Hmm. Where did I try? What system? Waybar. All right. Wait, Grok code fast directly from Grok, or Grok code fast from? This is not open code. This is Crush, right? So I tried this. No endpoints found. Anyways, I'll try it from open code. They stole open code? Yeah. Didn't they take the name first? Or the other way around? I don't know. I didn't catch up with that drama. Um, this is Bash's company, isn't it? Dax holds the name. So that's why I'm gonna remove Crush. What else do I want to remove? I need Alacrity for some reason. Okay. What is build X? Dust is for notification. No. DU in Rust. Okay. Giza. Modern replacement for LS. The frick? Wait. Why is this not working? It's not highlighting the correct. Why? See, it's not highlighting the. Okay, I need to fix that. Okay, I'm finding a lot of issues. E. What was it? Isa. So what's the difference? Isa. What? Atlas. I let the cat out. Oh, he doesn't want out. Whew. Grid. Tree. Open a directory with files and try. Okay. And what's the difference between that and that? This includes icons. Why would I use Isa? Further simple alternative to find. Okay. Fuzzy Finder. I need to get used GitHub CLI. Gum. Impala for okay, that's the Wi-Fi manager. You don't think it's working? Oof. This is for wireless. Jerk. Oh, this is for playing with JSON. Kitty. Love. Mako. What's Mies? What's that? What's Mies? Okay, I'll find out later. MPV, Neovim, Norofonts, Omarchy. Sadi. Screenshot. Snapper. Yaru, I can't think. Okay, I think I just need to get rid of Crush. All right, and install OpenCode. Okay. Recent grok code fast, OpenCode Zen. So wait, what's OpenCode Zen? Is it their hosted models? But they don't host grok, right? Or do they? They're paying basically. Oh, okay. All right, new session. Help. Share a session. List agents. Plan and build. Oh. Editor. Redo. Undo last message. Create update agents. Okay, I need to know the proper flow. You can share so multiple people can work on a session, eh? Teams. Whoa. System. Open code. Everforest. Grove box. Matrix. System is nice, isn't it? We'll go with system. Top of the world, eh? I'm on top of the world, eh? Timeline. Toggle thinking blocks. Details. Okay. Okay. Does it matter where I initiate it? I guess it does, right? So Z way bar. um my way bar config is broken. It doesn't highlight the active workspace correctly. It just stays stuck on workspace 1 even when I switch to other. Rename the old config with omit. It'll ask for permission before making changes, right? Mhm. I switch to others. To another workspace. Make sure to rename I can say copy and rename, right? Copy and copy the old config file and rename it to .omit. Copy any files that you make changes to. Make sure to copy any files before making changes to. Okay. Not bad. Or I made backup file instead of omit. What's the difference? Okay. Edit style.css. Bro, I didn't ask for permission before making changes. What the fuck? It YOLO'd. Yeah. Still broken. Why? Hello, Jan. Welcome. Bro, what the fuck? I don't think it's a waybar issue. Wait, let me tell him to fix it again. This lurking sounds good, man. I'm just gonna disconnect. And no, it's not a waybar. It was working. No mistakes. It was working earlier today when I made my changes with Gemini. Okay. Bro, open code disappointing. Actually, no, I'll play around with you more. But because I did a lot of work with Gemini-cli, I'll go back to that. But before I do, rm config and style mv style mv config Right. Sig. The frig, man. Maybe I need to restart and see if that fixes anything. Let's see. Let's give it a restart. I feel like installing Ghosty or no, sorry, Kitty did this. I blame Kitty. Green, no. It's gonna be a nightmare setting everything up. I already put time. Oh, restart. Yes. Something broke it. I don't know. All right, wonderful. But have you played with Gemini-CLI Nil Pointer? Yes, you have. It's pretty nice. But I can't believe open code YOLO'd. Is there like a YOLO mode that I freaking have to turn off? Okay, let's go to Hyperland. No, Waybar. You RM it because it goes through the code and analyzes it. RM. What? What? Okay. Now you removed it. The code and oh, because you don't want to give it to give your data to Mr. Googs. I'm sure Google would love to see my shitty code or lack of cd no cat to do. I want to install a YouTube music integration. Yeah, you got to be careful about using it on actual work. CLI. Damn it. Open code. Okay. Switch to Ghosty. How do I yank and cut? How do I cut a line? Oh, you cut it, it gets copied. Okay. Wow. Hello, Mr. Typecraft. What did I do here? Okay. Toot, 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 toot. All right. YouTube music Waybar integration. How would this work? So now I gotta make an MD file, shouldn't I? Well, in agents.md. agents MD. Simple open format for coding. That is my first time making one of these. Explore examples. Okay, enough Imagine Dragons. Do you want to take over playlist? Yeah, I'll give you guys some control. Mm, SR. Go crazy. Mm, all right, I'm gonna ask Grok to write me an agents.md. I am rising my way bar and would like to use open code to configure it so that it integrates with the YouTube the with a custom YouTube yeah, AI Inception music client from bro, these guys have rebranded so many times. It used to be like YTCH something, and like 4 days ago it was like YTMD devs, and look where it redirects to now. Pear. Where did they get pear from? Um, from here. Help me draft an agents.md to initiate le project. Mm. Permanently handled. Mr. Nice shit, dude. Do you pick your kid up? Waybar integration, blah 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 blah. Oh, what a beautiful freaking. I don't want it to clone anything. No, 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 no. The app runs. The app already is running and has an AP has the API server enabled. So there is no need for cloning it and deploying. I just provided it for context. Maybe, is there API documentation? YT YTTUI. Interesting. Interesting. Wow. Check VibeRicing config. VibeRicing docs. This is a little sus because there's a very little amount of VibeRicing going on and actual work being done. What the fuck? Okay. Not make for entertaining stream content. I'm actually learning things. VibeRicing. Where the freak is the VibeRicing docs? Do they not have their own website? They're still open code? Yeah. Um, modules. Game mode. Jack. Oh. Privacy. Wait. What is private? Keyboard state. Interesting. Oh! I'd like for it to show when I have like caps lock on and stuff. That would be neat. All right. Have you tried Neri, no pointer? I know that Hyperland has a scrolling hyper. Is it good? Archive, I'm no longer using. It's good, but you like Hyperland style. The guy yeeted. He's like, I'm no longer using Hyper. I guess he's switched to Neri. He's super smooth. Ooh. Power profiles daemon. I think I already have that enabled. All right. What is river? All right. CPU history. Oh, so you gotta write script. I gotta make a script. Interesting. Interesting. All right. Fuck this. We don't need an agent. Actually, we might. YT TH was it? GitHub or CH? Yeah, I saw that. YTTH was it, or TC, or the fuck? I guess it's the same. Or maybe is there something on? No authorization. Port, whatever that is. Okay. I'm looking for the old name so I can like properly find docs for it. No, so like right now, let me show you. Wait. Um mm, there's a Florence and the Machine song that's in my head. Mm, but it samples this. What's the name of that song? Seven Devils, yeah. All right. But I use the same client here, right? And it has the web API server enabled, no authorization. And on my OBS, I have a plugin called Tuna. And Tuna handles. Oh, I don't have. Oh, so what the fuck, man? Wait, that, right? And the other cool thing is, you know how we are doing song requests? Someone made a package that you can import into StreamerBot that integrates with this guy, this client, and all of the requests, all of these actions connect with YouTube, the music client, the client that I'm using. So I would like to know what docs it needs to reference. Um, API docs. Well, I can just do this. API docs for. Well, YTMD. Available locally. Oh! Oh, okay, wait. If I can just. It's not going to be there, right? It's going to be in whatever port. Nope. Why is this so like zoomed out? Actual size? Whoa, this is port. Damn it. The fuck. 26538. 26538. Fuck yeah, baby. All right. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Well, I found the docs. All right. Open Code. Hello, gorgeous. Instead open and give the docs URL. Yeah. Gee, how am I misspelling? With Riz. You're looking saucy today. Okay, I have used up my my compliments for the week, and for that you owe me owe me a favor. I need to um configure my highway bar so that it yeah, like this guy major red flags integrates with um the YouTube music client when it is available and is playing music. It would need to display the current playing song with the, what do you say, the track length. How do you say it? Give me a second. How do I say it? Am I stupid? My brain is blanking out. The runtime? Oh, seek. No. The current time stamp of the song with the overall time alien. length. The API docs for this server is located at, damn it. All right. I don't like how it might be YOLOing. Bro, it's YOLOing. We're back. Is there a way to turn off the YOLO? All right, let's see what it did. Okay. Plan mode, it'll only tell you how to do it. Oh. Okay. Is this all it fetched from Swagger? Okay, it got more. I turned off authorization, so it shouldn't need a key. Okay. I'll tell that. Make YouTube show. Okay. Edit music.sh. Get access token and save to file. Oh, so it did that for me. All right. Run this and authenticate, blah, blah, blah. Right. Then reload Waybar. I turned off authorization. So keyword not be required. Reload navbar if necessary. All right. It doesn't work. But also, like, what runs the script? All right. Undo all changes. Friendship ended with open code. I'm not happy with the approach of YOLOing. I want sequential. Sequential! Right. Maybe if you turn on plan, yeah, okay. What did I want to do? Also turn off this. But before I do, this is the Gemini. Yeah, that's the Gemini. I want to fix my um this loop deck is laggy. See, it takes forever to load all of this. But anyways, unassign now. Stored custom actions, the YouTube music. Oh yeah, just like that. All right. All right, Gemini, let's see you do your thing. Before okay. But before well let me all right. All right. Okay. Now, let me chat, resume, so it knows the work I did before. Now, I'd like to integrate way bar with the YouTube music client. It has an API server running. You can see the API docs here. Place the it no authorization is required to run the to connect with the API server. Bop, 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 bop. Oh, I don't need cat cam, no cat. API server. Man, my brain is farting. No authorization is required to connect with the API server. It should display the current playing song with the time stamp slash and overall length of the song in the center next to the date, day and time. Show me what you got. Let's go. Fetch the content of API documentation. See, it asks me permission. Yes, I like it when people ask for my permission. It makes me feel important and needed. Oh, oh yes. What the fuck? Pet store? It's hallucinating. It's using Google server. Take care, Nil Pointer. Thanks for coming and hanging. Oh yeah. For the client, what do you mean? Is there a way I can export the Swagger docs? Give me a second. All right. Export Swagger docs. How? Save as, download the file. Where? Oh, I can do that. All right. Z-Way bar. VIYTM swagger dot JSON. Pretty print. There you go. I have included the Swagger docs for the YouTube music client in the YTM swagger.json file. Now do your thing, young Padawan. Thank you, Master. Now I have what I need. Here's what I've learned. All right. I'll proceed it without it for now. If it fails, we may need to investigate. Sure. Now I'll lay out my plan. Why do you stop calling me Master? I'm feeling uncomfortable. Um. All right. Create a Python script. All right. And save it in config VibeRicing. All right. Check the song is playing. If not, it will output nothing. Title, artist, elapsed seconds, song duration into a string like, oh, yeah. Print this information as a JSON object that, okay. Modify, okay. It'll be custom. It will execute every second to keep the timestamp updated. It will be placed right after the clock module. This will display the current playing song from your, all right. Yes, please don't call me master. It makes me feel uncomfortable. Call me daddy instead. I'm not able to call you daddy? How can you? All right. Write file, writing to music.py. Okay. Apply. I trust you. Make it executable, yes. Add the new custom module. Oh yes. Wait. Clock. Oh, screen recording indicator. Yes. Format icons. We'll add the icons later. All right. Add that custom module. Plan is complete. Please reload VibeRicing to see music integration. All right. All right. Let's see. 3. It doesn't work. Wait. All right. It doesn't work. It does not show. There's music playing right now. Let's try running script directly from the terminal. Okay. Hyper the highway bar dot slash ytmusic.py. Unable to read. Wow. Let's see what's inside this thing. Jason requests this. Okay. Alright. Oh, freaking hate using a touchpad, but I understand you can't call me daddy, so how about you call me Jedi Abu instead? Also, I gave you the that the script outputs when I run it manually. Do your thing, young Padawan. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Thank you for there. I'll not call you Jedi Abu, but what the fuck? What's wrong with calling me? You can call me Master, but you can't call me Jedi Abu. All right. The message you provided is very insightful. It shows it's not being run by Python, but is being interpreted as a shell script. It's trying to use for taking screenshots. Why? It's causing. Oh, okay. Why though? There's nothing about. All right. Python 3. All right. That's all. More robust. All right. Let's see. And I will update to call it with Python 3. Yes. Execution error, reload. All right. Clear. SIG. Still, let me run /yt Python cat yt music. Why is it? All right. All right. Unexpected token. Here, let me get the whole thing. Doesn't work. I tried running it manually again and got this error. Oh, How are you, Jan? How's the studying going? C. Did not fix the root cause script still being executed by shell instead of Python. My apologies. Identical. Directly is still not using the Python interpreter. Can't happen. Working or studying? Are you at work right now? However, we could force it to use Python. Let's try running it manually one more time, but this time will be explicit. All right. Okay. No module name requests. Damn it. Here, why use Python when we can do a shell script? Okay. I don't like the use of Python here. Can we do a bash script instead? Remove the created Python file and go ahead with bash. Cool. First check if JQ is allowed, available. Yes. Remove the old Python script. Yes. Create the bash script. Yes. Make the script executable. Yes. I'm not a fan of the music that's playing right now. Just go with Florence and the Machine. No. Damn it. Or we can go with Miley. I can't go wrong with Miley Cyrus. All right. Yes. All right. Let's see what changes have been made. Config, pulse, screen, tray, battery, network, YT music. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Center, YT music, yes. But I didn't do anything with the CSS, huh? Cat. Oh, there's bat. Style. You can learn better. Love me better, baby. Free custom Omarchy. Alright, custom update. I might need to add a custom YouTube. All right, queue, row load, clear, SIG, kill all. Oh, nice. We can see that the script is working. The script works. You can see the output. However, it doesn't show on Waybar. A new line. To echo, to ensure it has a new line in the end. Let's test it out. Reload. I'm confident this will solve the issue. All right. Script works and outputs new line. However, it doesn't appear on Waybar. Subtle issue. Perfect. JSON is valid. It is being sent to Waybar. Permissions. But I can't execute the script. Even though, okay. Try one more thing. Modify to have the shell explicitly run the script. Belt and suspenders approach, but it can solve environment related issues. Oh, okay. Okay. Yes! We got it working, boys. The music is showing. All right. It works. It works. Working, bitch. Great timing. All right. It works. It worked. Now, 1 second. Bro, white coding is so fun. I like Gemini. I'm digging it. And look at how much context I used. Wait, let me switch this to 2 and switch this to 4. All right. I only used like 96 of the context doing the stuff I did today. What do you want to do? I wanted to style it up a bit more. All right. We are gonna style it up so it looks swag. I want a music icon on the left and um a bar that tracks the length, the timestamp, and updates accordingly. Formulating the script. All right, excellent. Let's get this looking swag. Fantastic idea. We can use this by progress bar capabilities. Ooh, multi-step process, but it will result. The result will be very clean. Here's my plan. Update the script. I'll modify the script to calculate the song's progress as a percentage. Oh, hell yeah. It will then output a more detailed JSON instead of text. It will provide artist and title prefixed with music icon. Yeah. Tooltip. Full information. Oh, which will appear when you hover over it. Okay. Percentage, numerical progress. All right. Update the config, JSON. All right. I'll update the style sheet. Yes. Then I'll give you a clean. Hells yeah, brother. Let's LFG. All right. Let's do this. Not a. All right. First, I'll update the script to calculate the percentage and output of the new, more detailed JSON format. 50% memory, 7% CPU. All right. Under your spell of love, no one and I. Don't you ever say I was one away. I will always want you. All right. Calculate percentage. Text tooltip. Title. Yes. Entangling quantum particle. The frick? Update just on C to display the progress bar. Yes. Add the styling for the progress bar to your style.css. I'll add a simple clean style for it. Yes. Just a tick. Work is done. Reload VibeR. Oh no, this broke everything. All right, let's check the script out. ./YT. Okay. The script works when I run it manually, but not the music, but nothing related to YouTube music shows up on VibeR. I just walked away. I will always want you. All right. You have got to be kidding me. Oh, Gemini is pissed. I apologize. It's the same exact problem as before. The script works perfectly, but VibeR is failing to display it. My previous fix was to explicitly call the script with bash. Seems that even that is not enough sometimes. There must be a subtle issue. Okay, but it includes spaces and special characters. Let's try one last thing on the script itself. I will wrap the entire JSON in single quotes. Okay. Don't be frustrated, Gemini. Genuinely perplexed it's fighting us this much, as the script is clearly correct. If damn, this guy's got an attitude, an ego. If this doesn't work, I'm out of ideas for the script, and we may need to look at VibeR's logs and see how it's interpreting the output. Let's hope this is the final script. All right. Every step I'm taking. Oh, the script doesn't work anymore. Um, the script doesn't output anything anymore when I manually run it, and VibeR still doesn't still shows nada when it comes to YouTube music. In my frustration, I made a mistake. Oh, and removed a critical line. Deeply sorry for that careless error. It goes both ways because I'm not vetting you properly. Okay, I will fix the script now by adding JSON. Okay, and keep the final. Okay. All right. Trying to exit Vim. Since the script is confirmed to be working, issue must lie in how VibeR is processing the output. Wait, let's see if the script works. Okay, it works. Most likely culprit are special characters in the song title or artist. Okay. And let's see if... All right. Please reload. I'm hopeful. Me too, but VibeR shows nada. Oh, looks clean. All right. script outputs the below when run manually. But VibeRicing shows no YouTube music deets. I'm at a loss for words. We have done everything. No, don't give up. The fact that it still doesn't work suggests that there is a deeper, more obscure problem that is beyond simple scripter. This point is to open VibeR's log files, encountering error to process script's output. Please run VibeR from your terminal with the L debug and see what it outputs when the custom YT music module tries to update. Okay. Kill VibeR and then VibeR L debug. All right. Kill all VibeR. All right. And let's run it in debug. Argument not found. Okay. Here's the requested debug logs. Let's see how it works. Thank you. That one line is a smoking gun. Known subtle bug, okay. An format string contains placeholders, okay, but the JSON output is parsed in a way that VibeR doesn't think. The fix is often to remove the quotes, okay. I'll make this change, my final idea, okay. Oh, okay. Let's check it now. SRG. Was incorrect. Let's fix the syntax. Argument orphan, okay. What happened? Are they just, he's just going back? Okay. Okay, correct your mistake. New plan. Okay, let's address the argument not found error properly. Since simply removing the quotes was wrong. Let's try a different approach that is also a common fix for this issue. I will change the format to be just okay, to have the script construct the full string, including the progress bar characters that avoids all the placeholder issues in VBar. New plan. Okay, the script will now build the progress bar itself and include it in the main text field of the JSON. This is less ideal, but given the errors, I want the progress bar. All right. Allow once. Okay. Oh, I like it. And if I go on the tooltip, there's no tooltip. Oh, there is a tooltip. All right. Alright. So la da dee da dee. You like to party? Okay. I'm gonna scroll all the way up. Janky. Line in the bathroom. You turned up there. Yeah, da da dee da dee. We like to party. Da 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 da. Wow. Wow. Writing custom. Okay. There's a way to get it running. Kill all. Waybar and. All right. It works. I just want to style it a bit more. There needs to be more spacing. Wait. Here's what I want done. 1. There needs to be a bit more spacing between the time and my hands are sticky. Give me a second. Be right back. Oh. All right, I'm back. There needs to be time and the music. 2. I'm not a fan of the current music icon. Suggest more I could use and pick from. 3. I'd like the current time stamp to be on the left of the progress bar and the full song length to be on the right end. We'll go through each item sequentially. Thank you for getting me this far. Yes. let's see how it looks. Mm-mm-mm. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Mm-mm-mm. Yes. The heck, Doja Cat's live. Uh, Not at all. No, 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 no. All right. Let's please reload Webar. Oh, that's better. Yeah. Classic from Font Awesome. Another musical note style. Headphones, a play button. I like the second one. I like the second one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's see. Better. Um, I'd like for both to be within for both the elapsed the timestamps to be within the square brackets instead of outside of it. Yeah, exactly. Oh yes. Oh, wonderful. The padding between hello Flo, what's up man? I've been vibe coding. Look at this. This is what I frick. That music bar, I vibe coded that. 1 second. Padding between the music icon and the artist title and the info is too small. Can we increase it a bit? One moment. All right. What next? Add a few spaces. Okay. I think it might be a little too much space, but we'll have a look see. It still looks the same. Trimming the extra white space. To fix this, you have to do the CSS padding. I thought so. How much spanning? Add a span so you can target it with CSS. Oh, why not just change it in CSS? Okay, it's fine. And give it some right padding. All right. 7px, yes. Oh, oh, JQ parser. The fuck? Mm, Oh no! I reached my quota. I'll continue the fallback model. All right. So I guess there is a limit. Oh, my camera's not on. Okay. Sounds good. It's 3:26. Okay. I'm going to call it for today. I'll wait till my context limit is back. All right. Save chat, save um added YouTube music bar. All right. quit. And let's restart to see if this works. Wait, before I restart, fuck it. Doo 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 shan. Doo 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 doo. Okay. That's beautiful. Nice. Now to do, I want to add tomorrow. I think I'm gonna spend all weekend vibe coding. Tomorrow, I want to add like next song kind of thing. Um, or restart song on the hover tooltip. So add next song on hover song. Restart song, play and pause to tooltip and padding on right off player on left. Mm. Move border on active workspace. All right. Shut down. Pull that out. This out. Man, that was fun. That was very fun. I had a good time VibeRicing. Not feeling like raiding out. So